Right guys, here's the solution to exercise 10b question 8. I didn't do it on the video the other day. Okay, so here's the scenario. It's thrown at root 26. Alpha and beta are our angles. It's a series of show that questions, right? So we did discuss this yesterday, but and I know Lucas was asking me at the end. So let's go through it quickly. Make sure you got the setup properly, which most of you did. I've worked out the beta ratios from the information given in the question. Time of flight, this should be really fluent at this stage. If we want time of flight, we put Sy is equal to 0. We simplify it, then we rearrange it, and this was to show that part. Okay, so we got that. The range, then we input this into the x, s of x. Okay, so that's my expression for s of x. I put the time in. Make sure you square the time carefully, and you end up with these two, right? So simplifying that down, I did that in the calculator, right? So just type in the calculator, it simplifies it for you, and then we just look for aiming towards to show that part. Okay. Then it's giving you information. So alpha is equal to beta in one case, then you simply just substitute the values in, right? To get values of sine alpha and sine and cos alpha, right? Sub them in. Again, do this in your calculator, right? Because it's hard. I was thinking how to get from here to there, but if you type in the calculator, it does it for you. So you get the job done. That's what Lucas was asking yesterday, right? So you can do this. You can work it out from the angles, but you can do it from the tables as well. So I've done it from the tables. If alpha is equal to 2 beta, then sine alpha is equal to sine 2 beta. In the tables, page 14, you'll see that double an angle is equal to 2 sine of an angle and cos of an angle. So we just sub the values in then, okay? We've already worked out these two from the previous part. We get that. If cos of alpha, so if alpha is equal to 2 beta, cos of alpha is equal to cos of 2 beta. Same thing, go to the tables, page 14, you see cos of double angle is equal to cos squared of an angle minus sine squared. We sub that in, put it back into our expression for range up here. And there you go, use your calculator and it's done. Okay, so just a short one there on question 8.